Page number 107. Division as repeated subtraction. Division as repeated subtraction. Children, you know that division is the short of subtraction, as multiplication is a repeated addition. Same way division as repeated subtraction means when we are dividing any number, so what actually that is the subtraction. If we have to subtract a number with many times means repeatedly you have to subtract the number, that is said to be division. With this video I will explain you how. Here the question is, you can read from your book. Niti has 24 marbles. Niti has 24 marbles. She calls her friends one by one. She gives 6 marbles to each of them till all the distributed. So Niti is the girl who has 24 marbles. Okay. Then she gives 6 marbles to each of them. Now she has to give this 24 marbles to 6 marbles to each of them. She has to give that out of 24 marbles, from 24 marbles, sorry, 24, wait a minute, 24 marbles, she has to give 6 marbles to each one. 6 marbles, when you are giving out of 24, 6, it means you are subtracting, no? See, you have 10 toffees, out of that you are giving to your friend 2 toffees. So what is that is your loss, no? You are giving it, that is the subtraction, when you are giving something, your thing is deducting, isn't it? आपके पास जो सामान है वो कम होता है ना? Same way that this girl Niti, she is giving 6 marbles to her friend. So 24 minus 6, 24 minus 6, then 4 minus 6 you can't do, no, because 4 is the smaller number than 6, so you have to borrow from 2. So you will get here 14, and because 2 tens place is giving, so here it will be remaining 1. Now 14 minus 6 you will get 8. Clear? And here 1, nothing is 0 there, so that is 0, 18. So this is the first step. Now what is there? She gives marbles to 4 of friends. How many friends? 4 friends she has to give. It means she has to give this 6 marbles 4 times. How many times? 4 times. Again you have to mind, this is the first time. This is the first time she is giving the marble. Okay. This is the first. Now again when second time she is giving 18 out of 6, that is 12. So second time she has given, this is the second time. Now 12 is left. Similarly again she will give 6 to her friend, then 6 will remain, and at last 6 out of 6 when she will, then 0 will remain. So in 4 times, here it is written she gives marble to 4 of friends. She is giving marbles to 4 of her friends. No, that's why we have deducted, we have subtracted 4 times. Deduction means subtraction. Okay, that's why we have subtracted 4 times this 6. Clear? So at last how many times? First time, second time, third time, and this is the fourth time. So you got the answer 4 times. So as we have subtracted, no, that is the repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction means we are subtracting again and again. Okay. So that is the repeated subtraction. So division is what? Repeated subtraction. So how many times is subtracted 6 from 24? 4 times. How many times? This is first time, second time, third time, 4 times we have subtracted 24 minus 6. Clear? This can be shown on number line. Now we will do this on the number line. Is it clear, children? Now how to do this in number line? Here number line is shown, no? In this example. This is the number line. So on this number line, you have to start from, our number line starts from 0, no? But this is division, subtraction. So you have to start from 24. You have to start from here. Okay, from 24. Then how many steps you have to move? 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then from 24, when you move to 6 steps, you reach to 18. Here is the number 18. Then again you have to move back 6 steps. Okay. Then again when you move the 6 steps, you reach to number 12. Clear? Here between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps you will move. Then again that is the, from here you moved 6 steps and you reach to number 6. Now at last you reach to 0. So here children, important thing is that in how many times you reach to 0. So this is the first time, second time, third time, fourth time. So from 24 to 0, you had taken 4 times to reach 0. So your answer is 4. Number of times taken to move from 24 to 0 when you are moving the 6 steps back. Okay, this is the division on number line. So here some exercises given for you in the book. You have to do it. First is 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8. So from where you have to start? You have to start from 24, where the number 24 is denoted on number line. Then divide 8 means you have to move 8 steps. How many steps? 8 steps. Then move 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then where will you reach? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will reach to 16. You will reach to 16. So where the number 16 is there, you can make like that. Okay, this is the first step. Then again move 8 steps. Then you will reach to, count it, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. You will reach to number 8. Again move 8 steps, then you will reach to 0. So in how many times you reach there? 3 times. First, second, third. So 24 divide 8 will be 3. 8 3s are 24, no? So that is 3. This way you have to complete this exercise. Now look the another question. Division by repeated subtraction. Division by repeated subtraction. That is page number 108. Now what you have to do here? The number is 120 by 30. It means that you have to 120 minus 30. 120 minus 30 till you will not get 0. And you have to write the number of times also. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 3 you can't do. You have to borrow from 100 place. So here it will be 12. And 12 minus 3 is 9. Clear? So this is the first time. Understood children? This way, this exercise you have to do in book. In copy when you have to do, I will explain you again. So now 90 minus again 30, because this is the repeated subtraction. You have to minus it 30 only. This is the second time and you will get 60. Clear? Now again you subtract 30. Now 0 minus 0, 0. You can see from here also. 6 minus 3, 3. Clear? 30. This is the third time. Now 30 minus 30, this is the fourth time and you got 0. That's why here written this dot, no, these 3 dots. These 3 dots children, here 3 dots, it means therefore. Therefore means isliye. Therefore 120 divide 30 equals to 120 divide 30 equals to 4, because you had taken 4 times. You had subtracted 4 times. This is 4 times. First time, second time, third time, fourth time. You have taken 4 times to reach to 0. Okay. When you had subtracted from 120, 30 and you have to reach to 0, no? So how many times it has taken? 4 times. So this way you have to complete this exercise. Shall I do one more for you? Okay, I am doing one more question for you of your book. That is the question is 160 by 40. Okay, 40. Now subtract it. 160 minus 40. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 4, 2. 120. This is first time. Okay. Now again you have to write properly. Teacher is writing no with fingers, so it is quite difficult. Now 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 4, you can't do, so you have to borrow from here. That will be 12. 12 minus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You will get 80. Clear? This is second time. Now again minus it. 80 minus 4, 40. Okay, this is third time. Now 40 minus 40, you will get, this is 4 time and you will get 0. Clear? So you will get in 4 times. How many times? 4 times you are reaching to 0. So if you divide 160 divide 40, I had showed you now only, so you have to show it that in your book, and the answer you will get 4. What answer will you get? 4. Okay children, this way you have to complete all the questions given on page number 108 and 107. Complete and show to me. Thank you children.